Hello wonderful people, I welcome you all back to my channel Nana KONADU'S kitchen, and today we are going to prepare cucumber, ginger and lime drink. I bet you this drink is very healthy and I recommend it to everybody, especially the men. Drink it and thank me later. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are ready, let's get to the kitchen. So these are ingredients. We have our cucumber, our ginger, lime, and our organic honey. We begin by chopping our cucumber into pieces. Remember, cucumber juice contains minerals like potassium and magnesium, and it actually helps maintain our body fluid balance. So it's very good to have it first thing early in the morning and last thing before you go to bed. It's very healthy. We cut our ginger too into pieces because you put them to blend. We cut our lime into two for easy strain. We strain out our juice from the lime. We put together our chopped cucumber, ginger, lime and our honey together so we can blend. Remember, cucumber juice is very healthy because it reduces the blood pressure as well, and it promotes regular bowel movements. So do well to prepare such drink for the family and yourself. Let's strain out our blended ingredients now. So as you can see, we are straining it out. We don't need the chaff. We give it a second strain. We are taking everything out. We want the pure juice, so we have to take everything out. Remember, we have everything in: our honey, our ginger, our lime and our cucumber. So our juice is ready now. Remember to prepare some at home, give it to the family to take because it's very healthy and very hygienic. So soon our juice is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel Nana KONADU'S kitchen, like, share and comment. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.